In this video, we're going to install a MadJax Kinect Screen on a club car precedent. Each kit will include your Kinect Screen display, Kinect Hub, universal harnesses, club car adapter, and configuration-specific harnesses. Note that some drilling may be required for this install. First, ensure that your cart is not plugged into power. Then switch the key into the off position and engage the parking brake. Remove seat bottom and set aside. Place the run tow switch to tow. If you have a lithium battery, be sure your battery is powered off. Disconnect all leads from the negative battery terminal. Removing the battery is not required. Next, we are going to prepare a hole for wire routing. Insert your Kinect display rear cover and slide into the groove behind the golf ball holder. Using a marker, trace inside the indent of the rear cover. Remove rear cover, then, using a 5/8 inch drill bit, drill a hole inside drawn guide by steering column for wire routing. Run the MadJax Kinect display harness through the drilled hole, leaving the 9-pin connector end by the dashboard. Remove key switch panel by removing 3 screws as shown. Make sure you retain the removed hardware. Pull the MadJax Kinect display harness wires out from underneath the steering column. Ensure sufficient slack to key switch and display areas and cut the green wire. This step is optional but recommended. Then strip the green wire and crimp on your spade connector. Remove the top wire from the key switch and plug the accessory spade connector onto the key switch. Then plug the removed wire into the expansion port as shown. Now route the MadJax Kinect display harness from the key switch area to the battery tray through the steering column. In this video, the install is routed underneath the cart. However, you can also run the display cable through the cable channel underneath the floor mat. If you are feeding your cables underneath your cart, some drilling may be required for proper routing. This is a great time to route any auxiliary cables, like the ones on the MadJax Decibel soundbar. Leave this end of the Kinect display harness in the battery well for now. Next, reinstall the key switch panel using your retained hardware. Now install the MadJax Kinect Club Car adapter frame and alignment tab. First, attach alignment tab to adapter frame using the M4 Phillips head screw. Do not fully tighten. Then, use a T30 Torx bit to remove center right screw from brow and retain hardware. Place adapter frame into place, ensuring lower trim of adapter is flush against the inside trim of the golf ball holder. Seat the alignment tab on brow screw hole and replace the T30 screw. Install using the 8 included screws, using larger screws on the bottom and smaller on the top, as shown, starting with the screws on the steering column cover. Be careful not to over-tighten. After installing the perimeter screws, tighten the alignment tab Phillips head screw. Next, install the MadJax Kinect adapter front plastic, using the 4 M4 button head screws. Now we are going to install the MadJax Kinect Hub. Find a good location to mount the hub. It's recommended to mount on the inside of the body close to the battery, solenoid, and cable tray. Then clean your surface with alcohol. Once dry, peel adhesive and attach MadJax Kinect Hub. Now plug the Kinect display harness that was fed from the front of the cart into the Kinect Hub 6-pin connector. Then, route the red and black power wires from the hub to the battery terminals, but do not connect to the battery terminals yet. Plug in the 2-pin can breakout harness to the hub, and then run the other end of the harness to your battery. The next steps will be specific to your battery configuration. If your cart runs off of a lead-acid battery, you can move ahead to the controller setup. If you are installing your Kinect Screen on a cart that uses a bolt battery, install the bolt battery jumper harness to the can breakout harness. Then install the other end of the bolt battery jumper harness to the can port on the battery. If you are installing on a cart with an eco battery, install the eco battery jumper harness to the CAN breakout harness. Then unplug the charger from the CAN port on the battery. Plug the eco battery jumper harness into the unplugged ends as shown. The state of charge meter must remain plugged in, even if not in use, to ensure full Kinect functionality. The next steps will be specific to your controller configuration. If you are installing on an OEM controller, start by plugging in the 8-pin MadJax Kinect speed sensor harness into the Kinect Hub. Then, remove the forward and reverse rocker switch by removing the 2 screws as shown and retaining the hardware. Attach a tap connector onto the wire closest to the driver's side. Now route the red wire from the speed sensor harness through the rocker switch opening and plug it into the tap connector. Reinstall the forward and reverse rocker switch using the retained hardware. Now run the other end of the speed sensor harness plugs into the motor area down through the battery tray. Now unplug the OEM speed sensor from the main harness and plug the speed sensor harness in between the OEM plugs. Organize any loose wires. If your cart has a Navitas controller, start by running the 2 free ends of the CAN breakout harness through the back of the battery tray to the controller area. Next, plug the Navitas jumper into the CAN breakout harness. Then plug the Navitas jumper into the Navitas controller. Using zip ties, organize any loose wires. At the dash, plug your MadJax Kinect display into the display harness. Push the wires through your MadJax Kinect adapter and then click the display into place. Slide 2 M4 clip nuts onto the plastic cover with the flat side facing out. Tuck away wiring and slide the rear cover into place. Using the included 2 M4 button head screws, secure the rear cover into place. Now we can install the ring terminals from the Kinect Hub to the battery terminals, starting with the positive side first. Start with the ring terminal for the Kinect Hub and ensure your ring terminals are attached smallest to largest, with your largest being closest to the battery. Continue ring terminal installation on the negative battery terminal. Using zip ties, organize any loose wires. Now turn your battery on. Place the run tow switch to run and replace the seat bottom cushion. Then power on your vehicle. Remove the screen protector and configure display settings to your preferences. You can now enjoy your MadJax Kinect display for your club car.